Going on, guys? Thank you guys for all the birthday wishes you guys gave me yesterday. Today is Saturday. Today we are going to be cooking a lot of food for tomorrow's game day. I love you guys to death. This is just a quick intro. I am super sorry that the vlogs get shorter and shorter, but again, yesterday was my birthday, so I kind of have a reason for that. I didn't want it being too long because I wanted to spend most of it on my birthday. So thank you guys so much for understanding. And then I think today might be a little longer, so hopefully you guys have been enjoying the content. I really hope you do. I hope you like this new way of me doing videos. It gets straight to the point. It doesn't waste your guys' time, and hopefully it still is interesting. With that being said, I'm gonna go feed the cats. Love you guys. I'll keep you updated. The food poured. So to give you guys an idea of what we did yesterday fully, we went to Powdery Bayou. If you guys don't know that, I showed it in a few videos a while back when we first moved here. Cool place. You actually get to pull out things. What I mean by that is you actually get to go to a shelf where they have all these pottery stuff that has not been painted or anything. You choose what you want, pay for it, and then you can paint it however you want. And then once you're done, they will burn it or put it through the furnace or whatever, and it comes out very similar to... This is one that I did. That is one that McKenna did. So yeah. Cool place. They're a little expensive, but at the same time, it's worth the money because you get your money's worth. So then after that, we went to a movie. We saw The Nun 2 at like 9:55, which was a crazy movie. It was good. Had to deal with some noisy kids though. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna get some food. McKenna is at work, so I guess they had a big hold up at work. Apparently the delivery driver who brings the packages, his truck broke down. He had to walk back to the manufacturing facility, which sucked. And he had to go grab another truck that was empty so he could move the stuff from one truck to the other truck and bring it there. So she had yet not even been able to leave and go drop off packages. So she could be doing it all day. Fortunately, but we have a lot of cooking to do. I may just pop my stuff in the crock pot, get that done. We have a lot of cooking to do before the games tomorrow. I'm excited because it's going to be a game day. It's going to be awesome, and I'm just excited. Of course, first, I'm going to get me some food, so I will see you guys in a sec. Come on, guys. So, guess who is back from work already? So, let me show you guys what we're cooking. Is my cracked chicken, which, by the way, I'll show you the recipe real quick for it. Chicken breasts in a crock pot. After you do the chicken breasts, then you're going to want to do
ranch powder.
Ranch powder. You're going to want to do cream cheese. 1 block or 2 blocks, your choice. You want to cook for 5 hours or until your chicken is looking about done. It's on low. Then you want to shred up the chicken, get it all together, make sure it's all good and spread out. That's the fun part. Then you want to add bacon. 1/2 pound preferably, or you could do double. It's up to you. If you're a bacon lover, I do a lot. It's cooked and chopped up. Go ahead and put your bacon in with some shredded cheese. You can decide to do diced onions. I don't personally. Up to you. There you have it. You have cracked chicken. Mix it all together and boom, serve it with chips or bread. Then what you're making, baby?
Buffalo
chicken dip. This is not, I'm not going to divulge the recipe for this chicken dip. Look up a good buffalo chicken dip online. Kind of like a personal family recipe that we like to keep on our own. However, I am sure you guys can find some amazing buffalo chicken dip recipes that are pretty close to what we do anyways. So that's as much as I'm going to tell you about it. Then after that, what are we doing, baby?
I'm chopping up stuff for spring rolls.
We're having spring rolls as well, which is again, family recipe. Not hard to make at all. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just need to make the beef right, and once you do that, you've essentially got spring rolls. If you have any chicken left, go ahead and share it with your little feline friends. They love the cans. You guys are crazy. You guys are insane. So clingy. So clingy. I love you. I love you. Oh my goodness, no. 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 Oh! Ah! Okay, what's going on, guys? So... I'm doing it this way for the outro just because it's a little bit better and you guys can see me a little bit more, even though the light on the phone is insane. But with that being said, I am going to end it here. We are...
Hey, focus.
We are... we're watching some scary stuff right now, and I will be honest with you guys, that cracked chicken as well. I just had it for a test, because you want to tell them why?
Because it won't fit.
It wouldn't fit in the container, so I had to eat some. But it was absolutely incredible. I recommend doubling the recipe. So, with that being said, I will end it here. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the shortness of the vlogs lately. There just really hasn't been much difference than what we've been doing. But I hope you guys like this type better because it's quicker, it's more to the point. So if you guys did enjoy today's content, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. Twittergram, TikTok links are in the description. Go check out our links, go check out our merch store, and go check out our sponsor, Dubby. All links are down in the description. 10% off on both sites if you use the proper codes. All in the description.
Twittergram,
TikTok links are in the description. What? Didn't I already say?
Why are you?
What?
Nothing.
What?
Finish.
Have a beartastic day, guys.